bed, bid, dead, did, head, hid, led, lid, red, rid, beg, big, peg, pig, gem, Jim, den, din, pen, pin, ten, tin, bell, bill, fell, fill, hell, hill, spell, spill, tell, till, well, will. Left, lift, bet, bit, crept, crypt, let, lit, meant, mint, net, knit, pet, pit, set, sit, wet, wit, belt, built, check, chick, neck, nick, peck, pick, trek, trick, etch, itch, bless, bliss, desk, disc, mess, miss, rest, wrist, sense, since. Lesson, listen, letter, litter, medal, middle, petty, pity, possession, position. Bridgehead, disrespect, gingerbread, index, influential, influenza, insect, internet, sickbed, silhouette, incense, shipwreck, riverbed, figurehead, intellect, eccentricity, sensitivity. Red bricks, tender chicken breast, a cliff edge, a medical condition, a petty criminal, a sensible decision, a visitor center, a French dictionary, a special discount, a refreshing drink, a legendary figure, freshwater fishing, a clenched fist, a wedding gift, a gentle hint, a head injury, insect repellent, a tender kiss, a guest list, fresh milk, a mental picture, a steady rhythm, a terrible risk, sensitive skin, spring weather, A generous tip. A trick question. A pleasant trip. A regular visitor. A hidden agenda. A king-size bed. Fringe benefits. A bread bin. A cement mixer. Rigorous checks. Energy bills. A difficult exercise. A hidden gem. A general principle. Health issues. Bitterly jealous. A stiff leg. A hidden message. A fishing net. A silly question. A split second. A big step. A fitness test. An expensive gift. A clever trick. Dennis is a healthy kid. He paid the bill and left a generous tip. I noticed Jim was limping on his left leg. It wasn't difficult to get the general gist of it. Neville felt a trickle of sweat drip down his neck. There's definitely no such thing as a silly question. Our best swimmer came in a split second before theirs. We developed some simple exercises to assess his interests. There are immense differences between printed and electronic texts. Jenny has excellent organizational skills and a good head for business.